In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use hyperlinks in a Smartsheet project sheet. First, you'll want to open your Smartsheet workspace and navigate to your project sheet. Make sure you're in the grid view, since that's where you'll be able to see and edit individual cells most clearly. Give the sheet a moment to load and confirm you're on the correct project, because any links you add here will be used by your team. Next, locate the cell where you want to add the hyperlink. This might be in a task name, a notes column, or a dedicated link column, depending on how your sheet is set up. Click directly on that cell so it becomes active. You should see the usual editing indicators, like a border around the cell. Once the cell is selected, click again in the area that's highlighted for editing. This usually opens up the text cursor so you can modify the content. If the cell already has text, place your cursor where you want the hyperlink to appear. If it's empty, you're getting it ready for new text. Now, look for the hyperlink option. This is often accessed by right-clicking the cell or by using the small menu that appears near the cell. Choose the option that says Hyperlink. This will open a dialog box where you can configure the link. In the first field of that dialog, type the display text you want users to see in the cell. This should be something clear and descriptive, like the name of a document, a web page, or a related Smartsheet item. Think about what would make sense to someone scanning the sheet quickly. In the next field, type or paste the actual URL or link destination. This might be a web address, a link to another Smartsheet, or any other resource your team needs. Take a moment to double-check that there are no extra spaces and that the address is complete, so it works correctly when clicked. When you're satisfied with both the display text and the URL, click OK to confirm and save the hyperlink. The cell should now show the text you entered, usually with a visual indication that it's clickable. Finally, click on the newly created link in the sheet to test it. Make sure it opens the correct page or resource. If it doesn't, just repeat the process and update the hyperlink details until it works as expected.